All right, in this podcast, we're going to talk about what's referred to as noble gas configuration, but basically, it's the shortcut to electron configuration. All right, so as I mentioned, noble gas configuration is just the shortcut to regular electron configuration. A noble gas is a group of atoms or elements that have a full valence shell of electrons. So valence is the very outside shell of electrons, so the outside ring. So they have a full shell. When we say full shell, generally we're talking about 8. 8's kind of the magic number in chemistry. The octet, it's just very, very stable to have a full S and a full P orbital, which would give you 8. All the noble gases are in column 18. All right, so how are we going to write noble gas configuration? Well, you go to your element, and then you go up one row and all the way over to the noble gas in column 18. Write that noble gases element symbol in brackets, and then you just pick up and finish the configuration from there. Okay, so here is an example. So germanium is located right there. Okay, so basically go up all the way over. So this noble gas is argon. So we put argon in brackets, and then we just pick up after that. So after that, we go to 4s2, 3d10, 4p2. Okay, so let's determine the noble gas configuration for aluminum. Okay, so first thing, I would go ahead and write all of the noble gases in column 18. Just write them where they're supposed to go. It's just going to make your life easier when you're trying to do this. All right, so we're trying to do aluminum. So we'll locate aluminum. There's aluminum. We're not going to start at 1s this time because we're doing noble gas configuration. So I'm going to go up one row all the way over. Okay, that gives me neon. So I'm going to write neon in brackets like that. And then pick up after neon. So after neon, we go to 3s2. And then going across 3p1. All right, so let's look at the noble gas configuration for iron. So iron was located right there. So to do noble gas, we're going to go up one all the way over. So that is going to give me argon, so argon in brackets, and then pick up after that. So after that, it's 4s2, 3d6. All right, now just a quick note about valence electrons. I did mention them earlier. So valence electrons are the electrons that are located in the outermost ring. They're on the outside of the electron farthest from the, outside of the atom farthest from the nucleus. And so these are going to be the guys that are going to be most easily available for bonding, which electrons are what do bonding. If you're not a valence electron, so outside shell, you are what's called a core electron. All right, so looking at electron configurations and noble gas configurations, how can we determine where the valence electrons are? Okay, so basically what you want to do is you want to look at these big numbers in front and find the highest one. So here we've got 3 and 3, right? So that is going to be our valence electrons. We've got a total of 6 valence electrons there. Okay. Now, noble gas configuration, while it does shorten the configuration, it is going to still leave the valence electrons out there. Okay. So valence electrons are the outside energy level.